Well, happy President's Day. I'm ready to show you a special presidential recipe. I'm going to show you how to make hot peanut butter canapés. This is a special treat that me and Martha used to serve at dinner parties at our Mount Vernon home. It's best to start with some Melba toast, but I'm using this today, sourdough crisps. They still have that crispness. Spread some peanut butter on top. They're on a baking sheet. Next, you're gonna need a little chutney. I'm gonna put a spoonful of it on each one. Such a unique flavor combination. And now I have some crumbled cooked bacon. You sprinkle a little bit on each one. And now you just put it in your oven, 350 degrees, for about 5 minutes. Would you fancy a canapé? I sure would. Yes, the flavors are very unique, and they go together well. Who would have guessed it? I wouldn't have. What do you call George Washington's false teeth? Presidentials.